Hi there, welcome back. This is Manu here. This is the third video in the series House, Basic English video. In the previous two videos, we saw the different kinds of houses and the different rooms, etc. Today, we will look at furniture and colors and a lot of other things also. So there are these lot of other things. So I want you to watch this video right till the end so that you don't miss anything. Right. What do you have in your house? Chairs, beds, table. Yeah, what are these? These are called furniture. Furniture. Note the way I pronounce it. Furniture. Stress on fur. You have furniture. Now let's look at some kinds of furniture that we have in our homes. I'm not going to tell you all the different kinds of furniture because that is not possible every time. And we won't even remember those things. That's a very specialized subject. Expert carpenters who know English will have the names. But still, we will look at some of the furniture here. Now, this is a chair. What chair? A brown chair. What's brown? Brown is a color. Color. Brown color. So it's a brown chair. I don't say it's a chair brown. No. Brown chair every time. This is a red chair. Now, table. This is a black table. This is a brown table. A brown sofa. Note, I always give the color first. Brown sofa. A blue cushion on a white sofa. There's a blue picture on the wall. Blue picture. This is a white bookshelf. A gray door. Gray means something that's light black. It's not very black, dark. It's light. It's gray, not black. Gray. Now, that's a door. What is this? You pass through this. You open the door and you get in. When you open the door, what do you have? That's called the doorway. So this is a doorway. Now, this is a green bathroom wall with a green bathtub. What tub? A bathtub. It's a tub in which you take a bath. So it's a bathtub. It's a green bathtub. It's a green tub. Green what tub? A green bathtub. This is a red towel. A brown bed. White bed. Yellow cupboard in the bedroom. Yellow. Notice the pronunciation. Yellow. Yellow cupboard in the bedroom. When you say that casually, it might sound like the yellow cupboard. Yellow. People won't say yellow. They'll end up saying yellow. It's a yellow cupboard. Cupboard, not cupboard. Cupboard. A yellow cupboard. A yellow cupboard. Pronunciation. What's this? Brown window. And these are the black windows. Now look at this. The ceiling fan. Where is a fan? It's on the ceiling. So we call it the ceiling fan. If it's on the floor, we have a stand, a base, and then a stand, a rod-like thing, and then a fan on top of that. So that is called the pedestal. So we say it's a pedestal fan. That's a ceiling fan. Fluorescent light. Fluorescent light. It's also called a tube light. In India, we call it tube light. These are curtains. What curtains? Brown curtains. Pink curtains. Curtains are also called drapes. So you can say these are brown drapes, pink drapes, a blue rug, and a red carpet. Now, rug is small. Carpet is big. It covers the whole room, one wall to the other, right across. So it's a carpet. Rug is small. Only a small space is covered. So we call it a rug. White kitchen cabinet. This is a kitchen cabinet. What is it? A cabinet. Where is it? In the kitchen. So it's a kitchen cabinet. What's the color? It's white. So it's white kitchen cabinet. Notice I didn't say kitchen white cabinet. No, it's a cabinet. Where? In the kitchen. What color? White. So it's white kitchen cabinet. This is a big TV. This is a mosquito. Do you have mosquitoes at home? Yes, we have mosquitoes in the rainy season. Mosquitoes, yeah. This is a refrigerator. It's also called a fridge. Refrigerator. Oh, it's too big. So we cut it down and say fridge. Do you have a fridge in your house? And how many fridges do you have in your house? Some people have 3 fridges. Some people have 1 fridge in every room. Those who drink to store their beer and whiskey and all that. Now, let's go outside in the garden. What do you have? Right, this is what we have in our garden. It's called the rose bush. We don't say rose plant. It's a rose bush. Let's look at some more words related to this. This is a sheet on the bed. So it's a bed sheet. What sheet? A bed sheet. This is a table for computer. So it's a computer table. Not table computer. We're talking about the furniture as a table. What kind of table? A computer table. This is where you throw your garbage. Dust bin. It's a dust bin. Or a garbage bin. Or a garbage can. So these are the different things that you have in your house. Tell me what you have in your house. I'd love to know what you have in your house. We'll see you in the next video. Until then. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.